The new Garmin Fenix 8 versus the brand new Suunto Vertical 2. Which adventure smartwatch will reign supreme? The Fenix 8 is a premium $1,099, while the Suunto Vertical 2 enters at a much lower $599. Both boast stunning LTPO AMOLED displays, but Garmin offers a solar version, giving the Fenix 8 a unique edge. The Suunto Vertical 2 takes the lead with its massive 1.5-inch screen, a clear advantage for viewing maps. The Vertical 2 also packs a higher resolution, meaning sharper details in text, another win for Suunto's display. With a higher pixel density, the Suunto screen is incredibly sharp, giving it the visual edge over the Fenix. Fighting glare, it's a tie. Both watches hit an incredible 2,000 nits for perfect visibility anywhere. While the Fenix 8 lineup offers a solar option to boost battery, the Suunto Vertical 2 skips this feature entirely. Both of these premium smartwatches offer an always-on display, so this round is an even tie. In smartwatch mode, the Suunto's 20-day battery life comfortably beats the standard Fenix 8 models. Suunto absolutely dominates here with up to 250 hours in its power-saving GPS mode. It's no contest. Even on the most accurate setting, the Suunto Vertical 2 lasts longer with 65 hours of battery life. Suunto's magnetic cable offers a faster, 1-hour charge, giving it a clear advantage in charging convenience. When it comes to storage for your maps and music, both watches offer a generous 32 gigabytes. Garmin's processor is a versatile performer, while Suunto's new chip is built for extreme power efficiency. Suunto uses a newer architecture, giving the Vertical 2 a noticeable edge in speed and overall smoothness. A major win for Garmin, the Fenix 8 has a mic and speaker, a feature the Vertical 2 lacks. Thanks to this hardware, the Fenix 8 lets you take Bluetooth calls directly from your wrist. Garmin's smart features continue with voice assistant support, giving it another clear advantage over the Suunto. Both are built with premium materials like titanium and sapphire crystal, so you're getting excellent build quality. The Suunto Vertical 2 is impressively thin, making it a very comfortable choice for wearing 24/7. When it comes to overall weight, Garmin's smaller models are significantly lighter on the wrist than Suunto. As you'd expect, both of these premium watches have fully functional water-resistant buttons. This round is a tie. The Fenix 8's built-in LED flashlight wins by offering more versatile modes, including strobes and an SOS function. Both watches are ready for the water, featuring an excellent water resistance rating of up to 100 meters. Fenix 8 offers routable street maps, while Suunto excels with fast, responsive maps for off-grid trail navigation. For finding your location, it's a tie. Both feature top-tier multi-band GPS for incredible accuracy. Neither of these base models offers satellite communication. This feature is reserved for their more expensive Pro versions. Both of these smartwatches offer advanced REM sleep tracking to give you a full picture of your recovery. You will get excellent heart rate data from either watch thanks to their latest generation of optical sensors. For serious runners, both the Fenix 8 and the Vertical 2 can detect your lactate threshold performance. This is a major health win for Garmin. The Fenix 8 features a built-in ECG app. Garmin's health ecosystem is more robust with features like body battery, morning report, and jet lag advisor. Both offer incredible training data, from Garmin's training readiness to Suunto's AI coach and training stress balance. If you're looking for the most variety, the Suunto Vertical 2 wins with over 115 sport modes. Fenix offers adaptive coaching for runners, while Suunto focuses on endurance and excellent adventure navigation tools. The Fenix has automatic triathlon transitions, but Suunto's battery is better for long endurance events. Garmin wins on connectivity, so the choice is clear. The Fenix 8 is the ultimate smartwatch packed with health and smart features, while the Suunto Vertical 2 is the ultimate adventure watch, offering epic endurance and unbeatable value.